you buy in right here. We put our stop right below VWAP. It continues to climb. We move our stop. It continues to climb. We move our stop. It continues to climb. We shed some. We move our stop. It continues to climb. It pulls back. We shed some. Continues to climb. We move our stop up, right? Does that make sense? This is off a scalp. So are we all on the same page? 2-minute EWO and scalping, little different in the way that we handle them. Same concept, you know, except we want to make sure on a scalp it's a sharp entry to get in at the right time, right? That's when we wait for a little bit of breathe back. We wait for it to stop climbing. We wait for it to have one of these moves to slow down so we don't pay our top premium. We put in a tighter stop because it has to go our way. We're not set up for a 2-minute because think about it. If you're buying up here, right, on a scalp, you've already missed all of this, right? So the more we're buying in a different area than when we were originally trying to get in, like on a 2-minute, the more the risk of it goes the other way on you. You're like, oh, I bought it right here. I think it's going to continue to climb, and then knife drop, right?